Hello students, welcome to 6th grade classes. Today we are going to reinforce reading and writing skills. First, it's time to read. My house. Hi, my name is Kelly. I live in London. My house is a cozy place where I live with my family. The glass in the windows are blue and the roof is red. There are 3 bedrooms. One for my parents, one for my brother, and one for me. Outside the house, there is the garage, where my father puts the family car. We have a small garden in front yard with colorful flowers, small grass, and a yellow fence. Inside, there is a big living room where we spend time together in the comfortable furniture. My mom loved the kitchen because she's an excellent chef. My favorite room is my bedroom because I have a big bed, beautiful curtains on my windows, and a small rug. Now the activity. Circle the correct answer. Number 1, the text is about A. Kate, a girl from Japan. B. Kelly, a girl from London. C. Camel, a boy from Canada. Very good. Letter B. Kelly, a girl from London. Number 2. How many bedrooms does the house have? A. There are 2 bedrooms. B. There are 5 bedrooms. C. There are 3 bedrooms. Excellent! Letter C. There are 3 bedrooms. Now number 3. What is Kelly's favorite room? A. Her bedroom. B. Her living room. C. Her kitchen. Great job! Letter A. Her bedroom. Great job, dear students. Now, the second activity is look at the pictures and write sentences. Number 1. That. Now it's time to write. Very good. That is going to put glass in the windows. Number 2. Tom, excellent, is going to fix the fence. Number 3, Mom, excellent, is going to make new curtains. Number 4, John, excellent, is going to paint the door. Number 5, Mom, very good, is going to buy new rugs. And number 6, Dad, great job, is going to fix the roof. Now, let's practice at home. Write sentences. Look at the pictures and write sentences. For example, Dad is going to fix the fence. Let's practice at home, dear students. See you soon. Goodbye.